Many years ago, Maranding was one Sitio of Barangay Abaga. It has a wide area of cogon grasses, big trees, and fruit-bearing coconut trees, with only few dwellers. At that time, the population was concentrated in the southern part, which is along the Maranding River. The early settlers chose the southern part of the sitio due to the accessibility of the water. These settlers were classified as migrant settlers, for they came from the different parts of the country. The fertile plain attracted the migrant settlers who were mostly Christian traders. The settlements were located along the riverbanks or along estuaries of the rivers. The Christian settlers were able to win the trust and confidence of the Maranaos gradually. The gradual growth of population propelled the settlers to seek variable area, who later applied for homestead into the area. The Christian migrant settlers were mostly coming from Visayas areas, notably Cebu. Maranding is in the southern part of the Municipality of Lala. It is located along the National Highway from Iligan to Pagadian City. It has a busy atmosphere. The transient visitor mistook it as aPoblacion of Lala. It is 7 kilometers away from the Municipality of Salvador, 2 kilometers from Kabatagan, and 14 kilometers from Subud. It is characterized by a plain and rugged terrain and has a total land area of 405 hectares, 45 hectares of which good for farming. This place is the center of commerce of the entire municipality of Lala. Politically, Barangay Maranding is divided into 27 parochies. Maranding is a commercial hub which caters to different business that come in either large scale or small scale. Based on the survey and census conducted by the barangay officials in 2002, has a total of population of 18,449 male population and 9,594 female population. And now, look at Barangay Maranding. It is called a little city in Lanao del Norte. Come now, visit Barangay Maranding, Lala, Lanao del Norte. Like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.